Hello everyone. Today's topic is effect the exercise on cardiorespiratory system. In this we just go through with structure of heart, function of heart, and immediate effect of exercise. Now second point is long term effect of exercise. एक्सरसाइज के लॉन्ग टर्म इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंक्रीज इन शेप एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मसल्स, ये सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. इंक्रीज इन शेप एंड स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मसल्स. सेकेंड, इंक्रीज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ हार्ट. देन थर्ड, इंक्रीज इन कार्डियो आउटपुट. द फोर्थ, इंक्रीज इन ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. देन फिफ्थ इज normal blood pressure, increase in blood volume, increase in regaining strength rate, less risk in heart problem, increase in heart weight, decrease in heart rate, capacity of heart and volume of heart chambers, diameter of aorta and arteries, cytolic and dyscyclic time, decrease in blood pressure. These are the long term effects on exercise. First of all, increase in shape and strengthen. Right? Increase in shape and strengthen. Regular exercising, increasing the size and strength of muscle of the heart. The wall of the heart also became stronger and thicker. Second is increase in efficiency of heart. Due to regular exercise, the heart became more efficient. Thus, it is not necessary for heart to beat quickly to pump blood for the body requirement during relaxation. Third is increase in cardio output. Regular exercise increase the cardio output because during exercise the increased demand of energy is fulfilled by quick pumping of blood. Increase in blood circulation. Effect on increase in blood circulation. During exercise, in order of supplying more oxygen to the muscle, the blood circulation increased. Due to increasing blood circulation, blood capillaries became wide and improved delivery of blood. The next is normal blood pressure. Regular exercise reduce the high and low blood pressure. Increase in blood volume. Blood plasma volume is increased by exercise. It also increase the blood volume. Red blood cell also increase in addition. Increasing in regaining strength and rate. Regular exercise increase the power of recovery rate rapidly. That is why after the acute physical activity, the rate of respiratory activity became increasing and recover also became faster recovery. Less risk in heart problem. Regular exercise increase the size of blood vessels, which decrease the risk of heart problem. Increase the heart weight also. Long-term exercise strengthen the heart muscle of the athlete and increase the weight of heart. Where the weight of heart is of a normal person is about 300 gram and weight of heart of a trained athlete is 500 gram. Decrease in heart rate. The total heartbeat of heart in a minute is called heart rate. Normally men have a heart rate of 72 beat per minute and women this rate is higher than a man. If a person is trained for a long time, then the heart rate is 40 to 55 beat per minute. Normally the heart rate of women and men is found between 60 to 80 beat per minute. Then capacity of heart. Capacity of the heart means the volume of the heart. The volume of the heart at the size state of exercise of heart. At the stage of rest, the heart volume 11.3 milliliter or kg of blood weight. At the state of exercise, the heart volume 20 milliliter of body weight. Volume of half of a good athlete 14 milliliter kg for body weight. Volume of heart chamber. The volume of heart chamber increase with exercise. Due to the increasing the blood in the heart, the size of chamber of the heart also increase, which increase the volume of heart. Usually, the heart of player of long distance runner, cyclist, weightlifter and wrestlers, etc. became big in size due to increasing circulation of blood with increasing of volume of the chamber of the heart. Diameter of aorta and arteries. As a result of exercise, the diameter of player artery and aorta increase. Due to exercise, the diameter of pulmonary exercise increases, artery increasing, through which more blood reaches the heart. These arteries are associated with heart because of the increasing of the number of pulmonary arteries. Coronary arteries also increase in number. They provide blood to the right and left arteries, auricle, which increase the blood circulation of the heart. Systolic and diastolic time. During exercise, the volume of cyclosis and diastolic time increase for 1 second to 5 seconds, which is result the also increase the recovery period and endurance. Decrease the blood pressure. Due to exercise, the diameter of pulmonary arteries and aorta of athlete increase. The athlete blood pressure is less in the state of rest, and that is why the athlete is also less like to have heart problem. The next is effect of exercise on respiratory system. हमारे respiratory system पे exercise का effect करता है. The organ of respiratory system like lungs, alveoles, larynx and bronchi carry out the exchange of gases as we breathe. Respiratory means taking breath in which every cell of body receives oxygen, CO2 plus C plus 2H is equal to carbon dioxide plus H2O. In this process, the oxygen, carbon and hydrogen atoms combine together and produce carbon dioxide and water. And carbon dioxide is throughout of the body in the term of waste during acceleration. During exercise, the oxygen, the organ related to respiratory are affected with lead of both immediately and long-term effect of the process of respiratory. Few important effects are following. Now we have few effects. First is effect of exercise on respiratory system, that is increase the size of lungs and chest. Then increase the vital capacity, increase the residual volume, passive all valves and became active. Minute volume decrease, the condition of second wind almost finished. Increase the endurance, decrease the rate of respiration, strengthen diaphragm and muscles, strong willpower. Strengthen willpower, effect on oxygen composition. This is the Effects of exercise on respiratory system.